When it comes to heavy-duty engines, the difference between peak performance and costly downtime often comes down to one small but crucial component: the fuel injection unit pump. The new 4-pieces fuel injection unit pump TPF1R085E2001 RE534960 is designed to provide that critical functionality for John Deere 5030 engines and a wide range of compatible models, including the 318D, 319D, 320D, 323D, 326D, 328D, 329D, 332D, 333D, and loaders such as 244J, 304J, and 324J. Fuel injection pumps are often overlooked because they aren't flashy, but they're at the very heart of engine efficiency. Every drop of fuel has to be delivered at precisely the right pressure and timing to the combustion chamber. Without this precision, engines can experience reduced power, wasted fuel, higher emissions, or even permanent damage. That's why selecting a high-quality replacement is not optional, it's essential. The TPF1R085E2001 RE534960 has been engineered to meet stringent compatibility requirements for John Deere equipment. It isn't just a generic replacement, it's a solution that ensures optimal operation across multiple models. From compact loaders to medium-duty skid steers, these engines rely on consistent fuel delivery to operate under demanding conditions. In agriculture, construction, or industrial sites, reliability isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. One key advantage of this package is that it includes 4 pumps. This allows for comprehensive coverage when maintaining multiple fuel lines or injectors. Instead of replacing a single pump and waiting for others to fail, operators can upgrade all relevant units at once. This reduces maintenance interruptions, keeps equipment running longer, and ensures operational consistency across a fleet. Durability is another major selling point. Heavy-duty engines are subjected to constant vibration, high temperatures, dirt, and dust. Inferior fuel pumps can quickly deteriorate, leading to inefficient fuel combustion and reduced engine lifespan. In contrast, this set is designed to meet or exceed OEM standards, offering longevity and resilience in the toughest environments. Efficiency is at the core of modern engine performance. Accurate fuel delivery ensures the correct fuel-to-air ratio, improving engine power output while minimizing fuel consumption and emissions. For operators who monitor operational costs closely, even small gains in fuel efficiency can translate to significant savings over time. With fluctuating fuel prices and high operating costs, having precise, reliable fuel injection pumps is a smart investment. Installation is straightforward because these pumps are designed with exact compatibility in mind. They fit directly into John Deere engines without modifications, making replacement fast and hassle-free. In environments where downtime can halt entire operations, the ability to swap in reliable parts quickly is invaluable. Reduced installation time means machines get back to work faster, avoiding costly delays. Beyond the technical details, it's important to recognize the role of these pumps in the broader ecosystem of machinery technology. While consumer electronics often dominate headlines, industrial and agricultural equipment relies on precision engineering every bit as much. Fuel injection pumps are a prime example of this, tiny, yet powerful components that determine whether engines run efficiently or fail prematurely. For fleet operators and individual machine owners alike, this set delivers peace of mind. It ensures consistent engine performance, reduces the risk of fuel delivery errors, and enhances overall operational efficiency. The 4-piece set also allows for proactive maintenance, letting operators replace worn components before they cause downtime. Cost-effectiveness is another critical factor. OEM parts can be expensive, especially when servicing multiple machines. This set strikes a balance by offering high-quality, compatible fuel pumps at a practical price. Operators can maintain the same level of engine performance without breaking the budget,